Okay, I'm looking to short TV right now, bringing back my gap and go strategies. I want to short here underneath the low a day. There is a lot going on right now. Market looks like it wants to move down. Figured that would help. Oh, what is happening? I can't see anything. What's happening? I don't understand what's going on. I'm covering. I don't know. My whole platform is really lagging right now. I don't know what's happening. Look at that squeeze. I wasn't even able to pay attention to anything because I couldn't read it. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's my computer or what, but also got Twitter. I think I just missed Twitter. I can't even trade. What is happening? The volume looks a little low, especially for early in the morning. Nvidia could be a good ORB up here. I think I'm gonna take it. What's the high? 22. Limit's gonna have to be pretty big here. SPY's not really pulling up. Things aren't really pulling up right now. But I feel like this could do something special here. What is that? Probably only 100 shares on it. Stop will be about VWAP 225. Yeah, it's about a whole point there. Almost got in. Definitely gotta be fast. If it wants to retest, that's fine. Still want to take it long. I'd like to see a bounce here. Would like to see a SPY turn around here. Mainly, that's what I want to see. See if it could drop again. Riot's making a triangle, but the volume is extremely low. Twitter's turning around. Had some other ones, but volume seems to be in certain stocks right now, not a lot of things I had on my watch list. Alright, we're seeing that bounce. Want to see it at 236. Doesn't look like it wants it now. Wow. Alright, maybe it still does. Ooh. Nope. Not looking good. Don't think I have anything else this morning, so I'll have to flip back on later. Okay, I'm looking at Grub here for a VWAP bounce. It's gotta really do something right now. I want to see it pop above here. I'd like to see it get at least to at least 92. I gotta keep my size relatively small because this thing can move pretty crazy. Opening around 85, and this thing already hit 95 in the first 10 minutes of the day. So I mean, this thing, if it wants to, it could really start swinging around here. And it doesn't look like we got anything. Nah, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna take Grub here. I want to long it 100 shares as it breaks above this 90. It has failed to move lower. SPY's moving up. Everything's moving up here. I feel like we're gonna see a squeeze here. Like, see it get above 90 again. This is gonna be a fast trade. Profit target's probably gonna be. Let's see. Should probably make it about there. So 90.87. So yeah, I want to see about a point on it. Stop loss will be closed below all this business. So yeah, we're just gonna about $100 here. Probably could be a little more, honestly, but I feel like it's gonna be a pretty fast one. So I'd like to take off half pretty much as soon as I can, and then the other 50 shares will be minimal risk. It's really interesting to find something that's not following the SPY. There's only 2 stocks that I can see right now that aren't following the SPY 1-to-1, and that's Teva and Grub here. Everything else is almost 1-to-1 to it. One thing I don't really like about this is the volume. But I feel once it gets over 90, we would definitely see some volume coming in, shorts covering and longs coming in. My limit might be too tight, but I definitely don't want to give away too much. So we ended up failing here once. Came back and popped up above. Could be trying to move higher again. We're 30 minutes into the day. SPY looks like it's dropping now, but Grub's popping here. One thing I don't really want to get stuck in is for the SPY to really start pulling down here and Grub to almost fake me out. I'll still hang in there here. Ooh, nope. SPY just had a big drop down. And it looks like it wants to move lower. I don't know. I don't trust it. I do want to record this because for educational purposes to myself. no trades on grub yet. Okay, I'm looking at Tiva right now. I would like to short it underneath 19. But I need to see a couple of things. I need to see the bid start getting chipped away. I need to see the tape start picking up. It's a circuit breaker, so I have to use market order. SPY is dropping. It's been doing that for a few times. It'll get down there, it'll get stuck, and then it'll just pop up a few cents. Hoping I get a good entry on it. Yeah, we're kind of past the triangle point here. Everything else is telling me it's pretty good short here. I mean, everything's coming down on it since it moved down. Well, this moving average here. Moving average here is my profit target. SPY's popping up again. Now I'll come back to it in a minute. Alright, getting back down there again. Let's see what it does this time. If I see that 234 start dropping to 0 pretty quickly, I'd like to get in at 19 before I think it's gonna break. But at the same time, I need to be really careful if it doesn't break. I need to get out as quick as I can, because every time this thing has failed, it's squeezed up a few cents. Someone just sold 40,000. This could be it. A little bit more. I'm trying to get in. Not being filled. I don't know why I'm not being filled. If I was in, I'd probably get out right now. At least some out. Wow. Well, I don't really know what happened. I put in a market order. Nobody bought it from me, and I know usually when that happens, for all I know, I could have gotten filled down here at 90 cents, which is absolutely something that I don't want to have happen. Oh. That's too bad. I don't know. In order to sell, somebody's got to buy it from me. So if nobody wanted to buy that 1,000 shares that was sitting out there, no one's gonna take it. I'm not gonna be in the trade. So I don't know. Is it worth it to not be in the trade and risk no money, or is it worth it to be in the trade and be down, or be 10 cents away from your entry? Because I mean, that thing snapped down to 1890 pretty much as soon as it broke. I don't know. I'll talk to my mentor about that one, but missed the trade. Too bad. Alright guys, I'm gonna be done for the day. Only trade that I took was Tiva. I went back and looked at the video, and I think what I'm coming to the conclusion of is that whenever I entered this trade in, the volume bar was sitting around here, and then I mean the next split second it was all the way up here at 915,000. So I think what might have happened is that there were just so many transactions happening all at once that it actually made Lightspeed lag or something, because I had never seen it do that before. But if I was able to pay more attention to it, I was up about double this actually. I mean, I could have gotten out when I look back at the video, what should have happened is I should have gotten out at about 26 or 27. And the other thing that I didn't notice is I actually got filled at 43, and I was trying to get in at 38. So I mean, I got an extra 5 cents, and that's like a 20-cent winner right there. It was like a $120 winner that should have happened really. But I mean, because I had never seen that before, I kind of freaked out. I tried to fix it as fast as I could, but really just, I guess the connection had to catch up with everything that was going on. But winner's a winner, I guess. I did exactly what I wanted it to do. Just get in and out really fast. Thing ended up squeezing up super hard right the next minute. So other trades I was looking at was this Tiva trade. I couldn't get filled. Don't really know what I could have done about that. I guess I could have just hung in there, but I don't know, that risk of getting filled at like 90 or something. I'm gonna do it now. I just want to go back and look. Okay, I'm looking at Tiva. It's not this one. Alright, get back down there again. So you can definitely... oh yeah, there it was right there. You can see the huge ask over on the other side. And then that's when all the selling comes in. I mean, I don't know. I might have gotten a decent entry, but this level 2 flashes down to 93. So I mean, maybe that's the best case scenario, is I got filled at 92 or 93. I really don't know. But either way, it was a good trade. I mean, my profit target was 80. It ended up dropping down right to 80. So I mean, that could have been, you know, close to a $200 winner. I don't know. I just don't really know why I didn't get filled at 19 even. I guess I mean, somebody's got to be there to buy, and I guess I just wasn't first in line. I really don't know what else there is to say. I was looking at Grub. Grub did end up breaking above 90, but I mean, it was a huge fake out whenever I was watching it too. I mean, it got up there, popped up to 91.50, and just immediately turned right back down, right back around, and got underneath 89 even. So that was probably gonna be a loser if I did end up getting in that one. I was looking at NVIDIA too for this triangle here. It did end up working out, but there's a bunch of things I didn't like about it. For one, we had the 50 down there. The 10-minute had all of this. I believe the daily was the big one. No, it wasn't the daily. Either way, one of these moving averages it was just huge and it was in the way, so I didn't want to be a part of it. But as it came back and retested, you see the huge drop off here. That was definitely due to the SPY, though. I mean, the SPY has been selling off ever since I had stopped recording, really. Other than that, it's really hard to find trades that aren't following the SPY. I mean, pretty much everything is about almost 1-to-1 with it. So if I'm trading almost anything, you know, I might as well be trading the entire market. So it's kind of difficult to find things that aren't following it one to one. I mean, Twitter was pretty much following it too. I think Tiva, Snap, and Nvidia were the only ones that weren't following it for the majority of the time. But I'll finish day up $67. Plenty to work on again today, practicing the usual, watch more videos, keep on studying. I've been looking at UVXY for some trades too. Just kind of inverse SPY stuff, I guess. I saw a trade today that I didn't take it, but it did end up working out. So I mean, maybe tomorrow, we'll see what happens. See if I feel like taking it or not. But until then, I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for watching.